Trader, Bkng, known as Priceline. We've been trading it since, I don't know, 1998. Let me tell you right now, it's up $114, trader. That thing popped $521 on the quarterly earnings report this afternoon, and then it came right back down to earth, still up 114 points. What a great earnings beat. This is always going to make a ton of money. Yes, if you were in that live trading room, we would have given you the order entry with using the options. And we can see that the call options, just let me show everybody, right here, right now. If you had bought right here on the $3,500 call options, these are going to gap up 120 points. That is such a huge gain on the 3530. Now, if you bought the 3500 at $41 a contract, yes, that was the last print before the earnings report, the volume 103. We bought 10 of them. Yes, we did. And then we put other people in that account. On the Bkng earnings report call option trade. You want to learn how to trade options? Do you want to make more money? You're not in this trade, and you know you're not in it. And you haven't had big gains like this in your life. And you know you haven't. But you can change that around right here, right now, today. Join us. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. We have tons of big trades just like this, and we'll be happy to put you in them.